Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn simple subtraction in Excel. You will learn how to simply subtract one value from another. So here we have got two columns A and column B. There are different values here. So we will subtract in column A minus B. To subtract them, simply we will write formula, and to write formula we will start from equal. Write equal and then click on first value C4 and then press minus and then click on second value. So after writing this, simply click enter and you can see the result is 30,000. And to apply the formula to remaining value, simply click on this cell and drag it from right bottom and drag it to the end. And you can see the formula is applied to remaining cell. This is how you can subtract in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped you, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.